guys, what's up? It's me, Jaytee, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you another song to play on the ukulele. And I miss filming this type of video because, as mentioned on my previous vlog, my channel got hacked. But thankfully, I'm back and I'm so excited to teach more songs with you guys. So without further much ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play a song about space by Reese Lansangan. So the first thing that you're going to do is, of course, you need to tune your instrument to the standard tuning, which is G, C, E, A, and that is the standard tuning for soprano, concert, and tenor ukuleles. So the second thing that you need to do is you need to download the printable sheet on the description box below, andyan yung link, and it's available for free, andyan yung lyrics, chords, and anything that you need for this tutorial. Oh, how I wish to be swimming inside my own galaxy. Space swallow me whole, and I'll be waiting for the black hole. So we're going to learn 4 basic chords in the ukulele in order to play this song. So the first chord is a C. And so you're going to put your index finger, or you can also put your middle finger here on the first string, 3rd fret. Okay, and then the next chord is G, which is like a V-shaped chord. Okay, so put your index finger here on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, then put your middle finger here on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and put your 4th finger here on the middle between these 2 fingers, here on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Ayan. Okay, and then the next chord is an A minor, so you're going to put your index finger here on the last string, 2nd fret. And lastly, we have the chord of F. So put your index finger here on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and put your middle finger here on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Ayan. Again, we have C, G, A minor, and F. So for this song, we have 3 main strumming patterns. So the first one is a down, down, up. And it sounds like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Ayan. Okay? So again, down, down, up, and then transfer chord, down, down, up, and then transfer chord, lipat na naman, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The second strumming pattern is a down, down, up, down, up. But this strumming pattern is only applicable sa A minor and F na chord progression. So it sounds like this. First chord is an A minor. So down, up, down. Ayan, ulit. Down, up, down. And then pagdating natin sa F, we're going to do the up, up, down, up. So up, up, down, up. So again, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? And then for the third strumming pattern, we have the down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? A little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So for the first part of the song, which is the intro, we have the chord progression of C, G, A minor, and F. And then we're going to repeat this chord progression 4 times, and it sounds like this. Ayan. So, yun yung intro. Okay? So, yung strumming pattern natin dun sa intro for C and G, di ba? Yung first 2 chords natin sa ating chord progression is a C and G. So, for those chords, we're going to do the down, down, up. Okay? So, for C and G lang yun. So, C, G. Ayan. So, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then for A minor and F, we're going to do the down, up, down, down, up. Okay? So, bale, yung buong strumming pattern ng intro natin is down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, again, you're going to do that 4 times. So for the next part of the song, which is the verse, we're going to do the same chord progression, which is C, G, A minor, and F. And yung strumming pattern natin dito is down, down, up. So it sounds like this. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Ayan, ulit-ulit lang. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. And then, pagdating mo sa last part ng verse, like for example sa verse 1 we have the last line, which is from the explosion. So for the last line of the song, we're going to do the same thing dun sa intro. So from the explosion, ayan, yung may down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so the first one sounds like this. Oh, space, oh how you care for human race. I've heard you're this big old place, but I wonder what lies under the sun. Such a tiny white dwarf and you've begun. Do you think your time is done? Would you be so kind to spare mankind from the explosion? Oh, there's a part of me. So for the chorus, we're going to do the strumming pattern, which is the down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Ayan. Again, down, down, up, down, up. A little bit faster. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? So the chorus sounds like this one. Oh, there's a part of me that longs to belong to your great black sea. Float among the stars and fly to Mars and back. Oh, how I wish to be swimming inside my own galaxy. Ayan. So, pagdating natin ng galaxy, we have the chord of A minor. So, from that chord, we have A minor, tapos yung kasunod niya is G, and then we also have F. We're going to do 2 down strums. Ayan. Okay? So, swimming inside my own galaxy, down, down, tapos G and F. Okay? Dalawang down strum per chord. Swimming inside my own galaxy, space, swallow me whole. Tapos, sa part na, I'll be waiting for the black hole. Ayan. So, we're going to mute the string. So, ilalagay lang natin yung daliri natin dito. So, in that way, walang vibration sa strings natin. Ayan. Okay? Tapos, lagay mo lang. Down, up, down, up. So, gagawin mo yan. Swimming inside my own galaxy, space, swallow me whole, then I'll be waiting for the black hole. Ayan. Okay, so that's the last part of the chorus. So after the chorus is the verse 2. So yung ginawa natin kanina sa verse 1, yun din yung gagawin natin sa verse 2. The same pa rin yung strumming pattern. And after the verse 2 is another chorus. So let's move on to the next part, which is the bridge. Itong bridge, ito yung time warp, 4th dimension, show me the way to go back to yesterday. Ayan. So yung strumming pattern natin dyan is down, down, up. So the same pa rin siya sa verse. So, down, down, up, down, down, up, in each of the chord. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, time warp, 4th dimension, show me the way. Pero yung pagka-strum natin, hindi siya yung parang overwhelming na strum, parang maliit lang na strum. Medyo semi-muted. Show me the way to go back to yesterday and start a whole life over. Comets as constellations, show me the way to Saturn's chocolate's light where the aliens play. Time warp, 4th dimension, show me the way to go back to yesterday and start a whole life over. Comets as constellations, show me the way to Saturn's chocolate's light where the aliens play. So for the last part of the bridge, aliens play, we have 2 chords there. We have A minor and G, and then we can use the down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up. Tas isang down strum sa G. Aliens play. Ayan. And then after that part is another chorus. So yung chorus natin, the same pa rin. Ganun pa rin yung strumming pattern natin and the chord progression. And then after the last chorus, we have the last part of the song, which is the outro. So the outro is very similar to what we did with the verse and the bridge. So yung chord progression pa rin natin is C, G, A minor, and F. And then yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up per chord. Okay? Mercury, the closest to the sun. Venus, I can see you from Earth. You're the only one. Mars, can you accommodate living things? Hey Jupiter, I know of your invisible rings. Saturn, I heard you can float on water. Hey Uranus, can be the name of somebody's daughter. Neptune, you're so far away, color of the sea. Hey Pluto, you will always be a planet to me. Ayan. So yung last line natin, you can just do single down strum in each of the chord. So, hey Pluto, you will always be a planet to me.